Neil, and I'm bringing you my best hunts from all over the world. On today's episode, you know, I want to focus on one thing, and that number one thing, it has to be the number one thing in hunting, scouting. Scouting is the most important thing, and you know, we'd been hunting for about 2 weeks in this area. We've been wearing it out pretty good, and a lot of our birds had kind of pushed out, and they're pushing north, and we had very few left in where we had been hunting. So I had put the pressure on my good buddy Jed Swagarden to get in a new area and drive around and try to find something, make something out of nothing. If he didn't find anything, there was a good chance we were only going to be able to hunt a field of 100 birds on this day. And you know what? The old guy, the legend, Jed Swagarden really came through for us on this field. He went in a completely new area, talked to new farmers, chased the farmer down, talked to him when he was in a tractor. He did everything he could, and he came through, and this ended up being a great hunt. We ended up shooting a bunch of birds on this hunt. Just a standard wheat field, standard setup, backboards, ghillie blankets. There really wasn't a whole lot, but the one thing that really stands out about this hunt that I think that you really need to enjoy is that, you know, we really made it happen, and we put a lot of miles on, talked to a lot of farmers, did our due diligence, and it really pays off. So, biggest key to success, get out there, scout, talk to farmers, build relationships, and that's going to make you more successful. Now let's watch this thing and make them ring! Come on!
Keep on.
Make it ring! I got like 10 over here.
Right above you.
Fine, good to the camera. Wouldn't it be sweet though? I can get it from here. There's another group high there.
Down. Really down. 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 Hey, Snow?
Fine,
They look like blues, don't they?
Yeah.
Kill him! Oh, Brooke, you beat your ass! I think it was you. It was one of them down there.
They coming?
They just can't make their mind up. It looks like for a second, didn't it? They're down, banging their buddies. Down.
There's a root behind them too. So they're not coming
Down. Go! Rossi's fine.
I'm not going to bust the decoy. Oh, right over us. See that? From behind us.
You got birds
We
behind
got a lot of birds. Those are all blackbirds. No, we got behind us.
What? You might have waited on these, Mike. Dogs on side.
Cut him!
Dogs on the ground.
Dang it! Yeah.
Nice shot, man.
Oh shit, there's a shitload right on the ground. Right. All Rossi.
Got him!
Naughty, naughty little goosey goosey.
Coming from the right. Oh, shit, yeah. You're going to get birds back right, too, but... Oh, I see. Over the corners, right?
Yep.
Oh, group on the right coming hard, Mike.
Front right too, over the cones.
These two are biting us.
Let them land.
Oh,
Nice shot.
Attaboy, Joel.
Nice shot.
that was a nice shot.
I was getting ready to pull up on it and you shot him.
Oh, shit.
More
a lot
count.
more.
You gotta get these ones. Come here. You're shooting my ass. You guys ready? Go!
Mike, right side.
No.
Get down. Down. Okay. Don't come time and you can go.
All right, send them. Gotta get them deep. Gotta get them picked up. Joel. Back here. Blue, here.
Come here. Come here.
Kennel.
Kennel. Kennel. Kennel.
Kennel.
There's another one right there.
Kennel. You loaded?
Down. Come on.
Down.
Allergic to that.
Down.
Don't do it.
Oh, he's flipping.
Is it weird they're coming from the side of Costa Rica? We got a real low flock.
Yeah, make sure there's like 1,000 coming. I'm gonna get a little greedy here on this one.
Let them put them on the ground.
Cover your faces.
Just setting in and something.
You guys, there's like 20 on the ground right in the hole.
There were too many damn birds to watch. I couldn't even watch the one try to get up from the hole.
You know, I was ready to jump and grab one of those.
Oh my god. You gotta try it once, you know.
No, it's not worth it on one of those flocks, so.
That was There's a 20 pack coming around, Mike.
Come on. Are you kidding me?
There's 2 in the decoys there.
Ready? No, wait, lay down. No, wait. Get down.
Down!
Oh my gosh.
It's tricky when you're right in, huh?
We're gonna do these.
You taking these?
Yep. Got him! Okay, go pick him up, Joel. Just Joel, go.
2 more low ones out there, too. Take some fat and slow. I was gonna go, but Mike said I'm too fat to go. So, it would hurt my feelings.
What a bummer, huh?
See those, Mike? I've recovered.
Yeah, I see him, Jed.
Alright, sure?
You gotta get up pretty early to pull one over on me.
Oh shit, I pulled them over on you before. Come on, spin it. We're grouped really low up
Oh,
there.
we're gonna shoot
Ray.
the ones up front. Caught him!
Building the sun.
Anything coming to the right, Alex?
I don't see any more. I know, I don't see any.
Okay, we'll shoot the pair then.
There's 2 more pairs behind them.
We'll let these land. Down. Down. Down.
There's 4 on my right. Where's it going?
Took out the clone.
Literally. Reggie, come!
Did you shoot the clone or was that the dog?
No, the bird took it.
Bird,
Oh.
check out the clones.
Hey, right.
I'll shoot around some 2 more time in 6, 7.
Down. Be down. Down. Kill him! Kill him!
Watch. They go left a little bit more. Just like these.
Down. Kill him! Oh, he got him!
Nope.
He got him.
There's 3 more
Oh, yeah.
coming hard.
Man, was that a whacking. Woo! Right in the pocket.
A group of 8 or 10, maybe 15 under the sun. Greedy hasn't been working too much except for one block. These guys are
short.
they are dead at us though. These are going to land.
Oh, man.
Okay.
Hey, kill him. Get that one, good, Jed.
I can't.
Oh,
Reggie's in the way.
Down. Lay down again. Lay down again.
Down.
Kill the two.
Good.
Kill him. There you go. Down the bottom one. Look. No, sit.
That was a hell of a poke, Mike.
Sit.
Group of 4, way two pairs. The 4-pack coming hard too. Some 8s and 6s.
Single coming back.
The word dog that was shooting over here. Three pack on the right. Yeah, 4 look good, don't they? They're the course, baby.
Yeah, what's up? Got him! Right on the speaker box.
Come back. Boy, those are right up the shitter, man. That was perfect.
All right, another stellar day today. I'd like to thank Jed Swagarden, the goose hunting legend, for finding this field. I put the pressure on him last night. He hasn't come through on us for a field this whole entire trip. But I put the pressure on him last night and he absolutely came through. As you can see, I think it's about 110. We ended up with 110, 10 short of our limit. Shooting wasn't as great today, but we'll see what happens tomorrow. We still got a few more days left. Awesome hunt today, and I mean, we had the Rossies that were just thicker and thicker and thicker and thicker and thicker every day in this field. So a lot of Rossies were coming in and it was a blast. So stay tuned, got a couple more episodes left to do.